Welcome, here I've got ASUS ZenPad 10 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. So to get access to the mirror effect we have to change it to the front, and we can do it by using this button here in the left corner. So hi again, and now let's move to more advanced options. So let's go here to the left corner at the bottom, and here we have the camera settings. So when we slide a little bit down we have save as flipped option. So by tapping on this we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.